A company regularly changes the price of its laptops according to market demand. In January, they increased the price by X% and decreased it by X% in February. Due to it, the price of the laptop was decreased by rupees 200 with respect to its price in January. Company did the same thing in March and April, first increasing the price by X% and then decreasing it by X%. The final price after the whole cycle was rupees 19,602. What is the original price of the laptop before January? Okay, let's assume that the original price is P. Now, this formula will be very useful for this question because we are dealing with percentage change. Okay, so new value is equal to old into M. So old value is P. In January, the price was increased by X%, so 1 plus X by 100. In February, it was decreased by X%, so 1 minus X by 100. And due to this, the price was decreased by 200. So we get this equation. This is equation 1. So this is the price after February. Now in March, this value becomes the old value for March and April. This is the base value. Again in March, the price is increased by X%. So 1 plus X by 100. In April, it is decreased by X%. So 1 minus X by 100. And due to this, the final price is 19,602. Let's say that this is equation 2. By dividing the second equation by the first one, okay, on the left hand side, you can see that these two brackets will get cancelled out. And on the left hand side, I'll have P minus 200 upon P. On the right hand side, I'll have 19,602 upon P minus 200. Okay. Cross multiplying, we have P minus 200 square is equal to 19,602 P. Okay. P minus 200 square. So that becomes P square minus 400 P plus 40,000 is equal to 19,602 P. Now this comes on the left hand side. We will have P square minus 20,002 P plus 40,000 is equal to 0. So factorizing this quadratic equation, we will get P minus 20,000 into P minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore we have P is equal to 20,000 or P is equal to 2. Okay. Now obviously P is equal to 2 is not possible because after decreasing the price is becoming 19,602 and therefore the answer will be 20,000. Now always remember, whenever we are asked about the original price, it will be most probably a round figure number. So it is only possible that it will be 20,000 or 22,000. Okay. Now, if we are asked what is the value of X, we can easily do it because whenever there is successive percentage change of X% increase and X% decrease, resultant is always X square upon 100 percentage decrease. Okay. And that is given to us as 200 rupees. Okay. So solving this, we will get that X is nothing but 10. Okay. Substituting that 10 percentage. So 10 square upon 100 percentage of 20,000. We have got the original price now. And this comes out to be 200. So therefore, x is equal to 10.